I dropped it down a fourth, but it's not a problem because I'm transposing to make it a little more singable because the key of F was just a little too high for me. And again, there's the C note there, 8th fret, 6th string. So the notes in the C blues, the blues C scale are C, D, E flat, E, G, A, C, D, E flat again. I'm up in that next octave. This is a 2-octave scale. C, D, E flat, E, G, A, C again. That's it. Since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. Down at the end of Lonely Street, Heartbreak Hotel. I get so lonely, F chord. I get so lonely, baby. I get so lonely, I could die. Keep flowing, desk clerks in black. They've been so long on Lonely Street, you know, they're never coming back. Oh, I get so lonely, I get so lonely, baby. I get so lonely, I could die. Of C, it's a blues in C. I get so lonely, I get so lonely, I get so lonely, I could die. I want to dedicate this song to my sister Betty. Love you, sis. Peace, and I hope everybody has a blessed Thanksgiving. Message me if you have any questions. I always respond. So if I don't respond immediately, just give it a minute, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. It's Guitar Bobby.